Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today Rachita is going to show us how to do pink gradient nails that are perfect for Valentine's Day. To start off this manicure, we're going to apply 2 layers of base coat from El Corazon. This is one of the favorites of Team ILMP because of how effective it is at preventing your nails from yellowing because of a dark polish. It is also extremely long lasting and has a dry time of under 2 minutes, which is really good. The next step is to apply the lightest color of your gradient, which in this case is a white polish, as your base. Now you're going to take a sponge, which is the tool you need for gradient nails. A pro tip from Team ILMP is to use a sticky tape to remove the fibers from the sponge before you use it so that it doesn't stick to your nail. Now gradient nails can be a messy business, and the best way to avoid it is to apply a liquid latex around the cuticle to save you from all that hassle. Then you're going to apply strips of different colored polish to the sponge. Since this is a gradient that goes from white to light pink to dark pink to almost red, Rachita has here used at least 4 to 5 polishes for a beautiful gradual blended look. The sponge can absorb a bit of the polish, so it's best to apply 2 layers of it before you start off. Now dab it on the nail and repeat the process until you get an opaque look. Make sure you pay special attention to the sides of the nails as well. Once you are done doing this on all of your nails, carefully take a tweezer and remove the liquid latex. Some cleanup may still be required, so take a cleanup brush and dip it in acetone to carefully clean up those edges and cuticles. To make those gradient nails more unique, Rachita has added a flaky topper. And this is the final look. How do you like it? As usual, the list of all supplies used in this manicure is in the description below. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.